Hey everybody, welcome to Math for Liberal Arts students. I'm so excited to be your teacher this semester, and I know it's a little different being fully online, but I think with your participation in our weekly Zoom meetings and your discussions weekly in Canvas and your pretty practice problems, we can really get to know each other, and I am hopeful about a wonderful semester with you. So I just wanted to give you a quick virtual tour around our classroom. So when you enter our classroom, you're going to see this, Welcome to Math for Liberal Arts students. And the way that it is organized is that we have weekly modules. I will publish the module on Monday evening. That's my deadline. And then you have all week until Sunday to complete your final pretty practice problems, which we'll talk more. Your discussions, you have to post your first post on Thursday every week and then reply to two of your peers by Saturday. So Thursday discussions, Saturday respond to peers, and Sunday your weekly pretty practices / assessments will be due by midnight. Okay, so the way it's organized, like I said, is modules. You can get to your modules here, or you can go and click on the Start Here button as you enter your class. And getting started is going to be here. You can go through it. Some of you have had Canvas before and classes in Canvas. Some of you have not. So I'm going to leave that to your discretion as to how in-depth you need to do this Getting Started module. But these are all resources available to you that you can look through. Be sure to watch my video about getting to know me. Look over the syllabus for the class. It's available right here. It's also, there's a button for the syllabus right over here as well. And our next module is week 1. What you do for this week, you're going to look at the overview. You click here first and go through the overview. I always think it's really good to look at the big picture and what do I want you all to accomplish in a week, and what do I want you to learn? So for this week, problem solving skills, because we're going to be looking at different topics in mathematics, and we're going to be looking at problems, and I want to boost your confidence a little bit. And I don't want you to give up too easily when we look at these different situations and try to understand different topics in mathematics. I want you to get excited about mathematics too. I want you to see math, that there is so much beauty in math, and also get to know your teachers and classmates. So that's what I hope we'll accomplish throughout the whole semester, but even just this week to get started. These are the things that you'll need to do, and you can look through those. And then there's this nice little next button, and that'll take you to the next tab in the module. If you get lost and you go to redirected somewhere else, you can always go back to the module page, go down to week 1, and we were just at overview. This is just the title on learning materials, and then you can go down to week 1 material. What I want you guys to make sure is I often have a page that has different tabs. Be sure to go through each of those tabs, read through all of the information that I have, and look at the little videos, please. Things to do, make and do in the fourth dimension. If you haven't purchased this book, it's about $10 used. Please do so. You have to read the 0th chapter this week. And then we are going to use, just for this week, a free online textbook, Math for Elementary Teachers, because I really like the way that her problem solving chapter is set up, and she has some really nice practice problems to break the ice that we can do in class. And then you'll also have a chance to show me your work. So that's how a module looks. Click Next to go to the next tab. And you'll see I've posted some links to our first Zoom. That's to our second one. I'll also send you Zoom links in the announcements for the first couple of weeks. And if you want to, you can also go straight to the Confer Now tab, where your Zoom links will be available to you, as well as the recording sessions. So if you're not available to attend our live session, then you need to watch the recording and then email me a write-up of the big ideas and what you missed in that recorded session for credit, participation credit. All right, so then another place that I like to go to are my assignments. And in the assignments, you'll see all of the upcoming assignments that you need to do. One other thing, I'm going to go back to modules because I'd like you to fill out a little survey, getting to know you and see if you have any special comments or anything for me. So that's available in week 1 module. The last thing I'm going to say about the pretty problems, and I got to leave student view for this so that you can see it. When you do your week, this is our first set. I call them pretty practice problems for a reason. I want you to, you'll have the link, and those are the problems that I want you to do. They're pretty because I want them to look nice, and you can write them out on a piece of paper with all these math equations and your drawings. I'd love to see them. So I think that's really important with math, handwriting. If you are clever and want to do this on a drawing program on your computer, or if you prefer typing and writing it up that way, that's also available. You can do a submission, a text submission, or you can also do a upload by taking a picture of your paper. I'd prefer you actually scan it. There are free apps for your phone. Adobe Scan is one of them. Scan it as a PDF and then upload it to this spot right here on the assignment. Okay, so that is your first assignment for the week. So pretty practice assessment. I call it assessment because it's my way of checking in with you each week. That's the only way I can check in to see how you are doing and if I need to alter or explain something more every week. It's really insightful to me. So I expect you, I promise I won't give you too much work if you give me all you can with these assignments and do your best, please. Okay, so that's just the beginning. You have my email, you have my phone number. You can call me if you have any questions. But until then, I'll see you on Tuesday for our first class. And I look forward to the semester. Let's be positive about this. I think it's going to be great. Please participate in Zoom if you can. Please turn on your video if you feel comfortable enough. And you can chat or even speak up if you ever have questions. Okay, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys all Tuesday.